Hey, you look tired today.
Yeah, a little.
Long weekend.
Very long weekend.
Oh no, what happened?
Too many things happened.
That sounds interesting already.
Really?
Yes, I love weekend stories.
Even bad stories.
Especially bad stories.
Wow.
Come on, tell me everything.
Okay, but first, how was your weekend?
Mine,
Yeah,
honestly, very lazy.
that sounds perfect.
It was nice at first.
At first.
Then I got bored.
The dangerous weekend boredom.
Exactly.
So what did you do?
I stayed home on Saturday morning.
Sounds relaxing.
I made coffee.
Nice.
Then I watched videos for 3 hours.
3 hours.
Maybe 4.
Wow.
Don't judge me.
I'm not judging.
Good.
What kind of videos?
Cooking videos.
Did you cook anything?
No,
That's funny.
I just watched people cook.
Same energy as going to the gym and only watching people exercise.
Exactly.
That's hilarious.
What about you?
Saturday started well.
Then,
Then everything became crazy.
oh no,
I woke up early.
that's already impressive.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I planned a perfect day.
Dangerous words.
Very dangerous.
What was your plan?
Breakfast, shopping, cleaning, then relaxing.
Sounds responsible.
I know.
So where did it go wrong?
At breakfast,
Really?
I burned my toast.
That's not too bad.
Then I spilled coffee
Oh no,
on my white shirt.
classic weekend problem.
Exactly.
Did you change clothes?
Yes, but then I couldn't find my keys.
Hola.
I searched everywhere.
The keys are always missing when we are late.
Always.
Where were they?
In the fridge.
Wait, what?
In the fridge.
Why?
I honestly don't know.
That is amazing.
I was very sleepy.
Apparently.
I opened the fridge for milk.
And put the keys inside.
I guess so.
That's actually funny.
Not funny at the time.
True.
I was stressed.
I understand.
Then I finally went shopping.
Did it get better?
No,
Oh no.
it got worse.
Tell me.
The supermarket was completely full.
Weekend shopping is dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Too many people.
Too many carts.
Too many screaming children.
Exactly.
I know that feeling.
I only needed 5 things.
And,
I forgot the list at home.
of course you did.
So I walked around for 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yes,
Did you buy the right things?
mostly.
Mostly.
I forgot eggs.
The most important thing.
I know.
That always happens.
But I bought snacks.
Naturally.
Chips, cookies, ice cream.
Emotional support food.
Exactly.
Honestly, that sounds like a normal adult weekend.
Really?
Yes.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
What did you do Saturday night?
I met my friend Emily.
Oh, nice.
We went to a small restaurant.
Fancy restaurant.
No, very simple.
Sometimes simple places are the best.
Exactly.
What did you eat?
Pasta.
Good choice.
And chocolate cake.
Even better choice.
It was delicious.
Now I'm hungry.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Then we walked around the city.
That sounds peaceful.
It really was.
Did you talk a lot?
Oh yes.
About life?
About everything.
I love conversations like that.
Me too.
No pressure, just talking.
Exactly.
Sometimes those are the best moments.
I agree.
Did anything funny happen?
Actually, yes.
Tell me.
Emily waved at someone.
Okay.
But it was the wrong person.
Oh no.
The man looked very confused.
That's awkward.
Very awkward.
Did she stop waving?
No, that's the funny part.
What did she do?
She continued waving.
Why?
She panicked.
That makes it worse.
I know.
What happened then?
The man waved back slowly.
Oh no.
Then Emily said, "Have a nice evening."
To a complete stranger.
Yes.
That's amazing.
I laughed for 5 minutes.
I would laugh too.
Emily turned completely red.
Poor Emily's.
She still talks about it.
That memory will stay forever.
Definitely.
Sunday was calmer for me.
Finally.
Yes.
What did you do?
I stayed home all day.
Perfect.
I cleaned my apartment.
Did you really clean?
A little.
Honest answer.
I started cleaning.
And then.
I found old photos.
Hola.
Then I stopped cleaning.
Memories are dangerous.
Very dangerous.
What kind of photos?
Photos from college.
That sounds fun.
Some were funny.
Why funny?
My hairstyle was terrible.
Really?
Very terrible.
I need proof.
Absolutely not.
Please.
No way.
Just one photo.
Never.
Fine.
Thank you.
Did you feel nostalgic?
A little.
That's normal.
I started thinking about old friends.
Do you still talk to them?
Some of them.
That's nice.
One friend moved to another country.
Oh wow.
We haven't talked in years.
That's sad.
Yeah,
Maybe you should message him.
maybe I should.
Sometimes people are happy when an old friend contacts them.
That's true.
Life gets busy,
Very busy.
but friendship is important.
I'd agree.
Did you call anyone?
Actually, yes.
Really?
I called my mom.
Oh,
We talked for almost an hour.
moms love long phone calls.
They rarely do.
What did you talk about?
Everything.
Family stuff.
Family, food, weather.
The classic mom conversation.
Exactly.
Did she ask if you're eating well?
Of course.
Moms always ask that.
Always.
My mom does the same thing.
Moms are similar everywhere.
True.
What about Sunday for you?
Sunday was quiet.
Quiet is good.
I woke up late.
Lucky.
Then I made pancakes.
Homemade pancakes.
Yes,
Impressive.
they were not perfect.
Still impressive.
One pancake looked very strange.
Strange how?
Like a map.
A map of what?
I don't know,
That's funny.
but they tasted good.
That's the important thing.
Exactly.
Did you watch anything?
Yes, I watched a romantic movie.
Was it good?
The
That means no.
beginning was good.
And the endings.
Very disappointing.
I hate that feeling.
Me too.
You spend 2 hours watching.
And then the ending ruins everything.
Exactly.
Have you watched anything recently?
Yes.
What?
A documentary about travel.
Oh, interesting.
It made me want a vacation.
Same.
I really need a break.
Me too.
Maybe we work too much.
Probably.
Sometimes weekends feel too short.
Always too short.
Friday night comes so fast.
And Monday morning comes faster.
That is painfully true.
Did you prepare for Monday?
Not really.
Same.
Sunday night stress is real.
Very real.
I checked my emails Sunday night.
Big mistake.
Huge mistake.
Were there many emails?
Too many.
I never check work emails on Sunday.
Smart decision.
Protect your peace.
I should learn from you.
Yes, you should.
Do you usually enjoy weekends?
Most of the time.
Even boring weekends.
Sometimes boring weekends are necessary.
That's true.
Rest is important.
I forget that sometimes.
A lot of people forget.
We always want to be productive.
Yes,
But relaxing is also important.
exactly.
I like that.
Me too.
Honestly, talking about weekends is fun.
It is.
You learn a lot about people.
Very true.
Some people go hiking.
Some people sleep all day.
Some people put keys in the fridge.
I'm never forgetting that story.
Please forget it.
Impossible.
That's unfair.
It's too funny.
Fine.
Thank you for sharing your embarrassing story.
You're welcome, I think.
English learners can learn a lot from real stories.
That's true.
Real English is everywhere.
In coffee accidents.
In awkward moments.
In supermarket problems.
And in funny weekends.
Exactly.
Before we go, let's teach one useful phrase.
Good idea.
How was your weekend?
Very common question.
People ask it every Monday.
And a good answer is,
It was relaxing.
or it was busy.
Or it was fun.
Simple and natural.
Exactly.
Another useful phrase is, I stayed home.
Very useful.
Easy English is the best English sometimes.
I agree.
Don't worry about perfect grammar.
Just keep speaking.
Practice every day.
Listen again and repeat with us.
Shadow the conversation.
Copy the pronunciation.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly.
Thanks for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
Tell us about your weekend in the comments.
Was it relaxing?
Busy.
Funny?
Or completely crazy.
See you next time.
Keep practicing English every day.
Bye, everyone's.
Bye.